Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the Modicon EdgeIO training. I'm your host, Andromeda, and in this video what we're going to see is which are the things that we need to consider once we want to integrate the Modicon EdgeIO with Control Expert, okay? And the reason I'm doing this video is because I did all the communications and the things that we need to do with Control Expert, and I forgot to show something. So I need to show it here right now. So let's go to the software. So this already show you on the rest of the videos. So what we need first is to use Control Expert version 16.2 or higher, okay? Because the DTN for the EdgeIO came in that version of the software, okay? So we need that. Then along with that, we must use the version of the software, at least the 440. Okay, that's something that we need to. The other thing that we need, as we're using this version of the Control Expert, is to change two things in our configuration project. So let me just compile so we can get the errors. So this, we just need to change this. So FW download to whatever you want to. Administrator, I usually use administrator 1 asterisk and capital A. Web user administrator 1 asterisk administrator 1 asterisk. Okay, apply. Okay, so now if you let me just double check on the M580. So here I have unlocked everything just to show you how does it works. Here the SMP admin or whatever you want to. Then after this, there is no errors at all. You really need to check here with the securities and all the stuff, but this is something that you need to do. Then you just need to define if you want to use a NOC, if you want to use this a RIO, if you want to use an NOC, an OS card. That will depend on what you're after. But the other thing that we need to do is to check the security editor. So if you after security editor in your PC, this is the software, okay, which is security admin, and then I need to check. There we go, it works. So what we need to do is here go to the certificate whitelist, and this is something I forgot to mention when I was doing the other videos. So I have already added the Modicon EdgeIO, so using this one. So what I'm going to do is to remove it and show you how to add it, which is that one over there. So I'm going to add the connection. Just need to put the IP address of the Modicon EdgeIO, add it, okay, select this and trust certificate. Yep, and there we go. I have the certificate. Okay, apply. Okay, and that's it. Okay, then you should be able to carry on with your project. So that's the thing that I forgot. Let me just connect. I'm using this, using a different thing. So 192.168.0.58. This connection, yes. Connect. Going to upload, transfer from PLC, yeah. So right now, just to show you that I can connect and see the device. That's all. So if we go here, I have these things working right now. If we go to the build BTM browser, here you can see I have the EdgeIO. And then if I right click over here, I should be able to connect to this. It asks me for this. Admin, security admin, administrator 1. And it is connected. Okay, that's something that I forgot to mention, but the rest is going to be the same. So these are the considerations that you need in order when you want to work with the Control Expert and the Modicon EdgeIO. I totally forgot to mention that when I was doing the video, so you get that one. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you on the next one.